In this video tutorial, we are going to walk through how to use the contact tracing feature within SubitUp. To access this feature, you'll go to the left-hand side of the screen, click on Apps, and then click on the second one down, which says Contact Tracing. Okay, and once this comes up, the first thing you'll have to do is select an employee. So the intent of this page is for if an employee tests positive for COVID or any other reason that you need to see why or who an employee overlap with over a certain period of time, you'll be able to use this feature for it. So I will choose a specific employee here and then choose a date range. So this is the date range where there was concern over where this person overlapped with anybody else that was working in my entire organization. So I'll choose this time frame and hit search. This is going to pop up with the employee's information, their phone number, their email address, and their picture. And it will give you a total summary up top with just the amount of days they worked, the amount of hours they worked in this period, shifts worked, and the amount of staff that they potentially overlap with. Now over on the right, you'll need to check off which positions that are of concern that you would want to see who they overlap with. So for instance, if the hospital here is nowhere near where this person possibly could have worked, then I can just uncheck this box here. It will show all the different positions that you are currently a manager of. From here, it'll go down and show you each day that this person worked. So we have here March 14th. This is the shift they worked, and it will go down and show you everyone who could have overlapped. And not only that, but it will also show you the overlap length. So the amount of time that they were actually working together. So sometimes it might be 3 hours. Sometimes it might be only a half an hour. Sometimes it's 0 hours, which means this person was either leaving or coming in as that person was actually leaving or coming in. From here, if you wanted to search for just a specific employee, I'll be able to come here and search for just one specific employee, and it will show all the times that this person, that these two employees interacted with one another in this time frame. Lastly, if you are trying to export this information to a CSV so that you can do whatever you need to do with it, you will hit this Export CSV button, and that will pop up for you. That is how to use the contact tracing feature. As always, if you have any questions at all, feel free to email us, support@subitup.com, or give us a call at 617-401-8733. Our office hours are Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Thanks so much.